क्या किया था लैब में? प्रोजेक्टाइल मोशन. What is the projectile? What is projectile motion? What is the projectile motion? If you look at your book, you will see a figure like this, and you will see something going like this. You're familiar with this kind of motion, right? When does this motion happen? For example, when you throw a ball. अच्छा, you are throwing the ball upwards, लेकिन वो साथ एक horizontal motion भी cover करता है. Why? Because of gravity, है ना? Gravity उसे नीचे खींच रही होती है, हम उसको ऊपर फेंक रहे होते हैं, and therefore उसके दो components होते हैं motion के. There's a x component, a horizontal component, and a y component, and जैसे जैसे ये जाता है इसका चेंज होता जाता है. सो यू मे बी लॉन्च योर प्रोजेक्टाइल विद अ सर्टन वेलोसिटी, लेट इज से v नॉट. v नॉट इज एन इनिशियल वेलोसिटी. इसका एक अगर हम इसको स्प्लिट कर लें तो दिस इज v नॉट x एंड दिस इज v नॉट y. ठीक है ना? जैसे जैसे जाता है तो ये चेंज, इसकी डायरेक्शन चेंज हो रही है ना. अब ये इधर हो गई, कंपोनेंट्स भी चेंज हो गए. ठीक है, फिर ये ऊपर जाता है तो आपने क्या नोटिस किया? द y कंपोनेंट बिकम्स इक्वल टू 0. वी वाई इज इक्वल टू बिल्कुल 0, फ्लैट हो जाता है ना ऊपर जाके वो जो वेक्टर होता है. एंड देन जैसे जैसे ये नीचे आता है अगेन यू विल सी कि द कंपोनेंट्स आर चेंजिंग. उनकी वो लेंथ आप नोट करें, स्पेशली द वर्टिकल कंपोनेंट वो काफ़ी चेंज होता है, राइट? एंड जब तक वो नीचे आता है. सो दिस इज द काइंड ऑफ मोशन विच इज डिफाइंड एज अ projectile motion. So this motion has a horizontal component and a vertical component. Therefore, it is written as v naught is equal to vxi plus vyj. So ये v naught xi and v naught yj, or you can just write it as v naught I plus v naught j. But the point is that it has two components, a horizontal component and a vertical component. Okay, now we know that v naught x is equal to v naught cos of theta. What is theta? Theta is the angle of that this vector was making, the angle at which you threw your ball, right? Okay, and this projectile motion is a very simple concept. And the simple example is the ball, but there are more advanced methods in which there is advanced technology in which you use this. For example, for aeronautics or for missile systems or things like that, you do such calculations, right? So the formulas are based on the same concept. So we are using the example of a ball. Okay, so and v naught y is equal to v naught y is equal to v naught sin theta. Okay, पहले in the last chapter we were using ax, ay as symbols, right? A was a general vector. We had not yet defined what exactly a means, है ना? हम general ले रहे थे. And similarly we took another vector as b and we defined it as bxi and byj, है ना? अब हमने actually उनको relate कर दिया with real quantities in the world which are related to motion. And these quantities are what? Velocity, acceleration, displacement. So at this point we are talking about velocity. Okay, so just like a vector a can be written as axi plus ayj. Similarly, a vector v naught can be written as v naught xi plus v naught yj. So it's the same concept that we have been studying. We've just combined the two things together, the concept of vectors, their components, and then motion, right? Okay, and this is also an experiment that we performed in the lab. We also have the videos on Moodle. and you also have it in your worksheets in your manual. Okay, so you will have some time now. Please, if you have not taken the worksheets, take the worksheets and go through what we are going to do today. I told you experiment 1 and 2. Okay, so go through them, watch the videos, and then come to lab. Okay. So this is figure 4.10 in your book. Okay. This we know is the x-axis, this is the y-axis, and this is the origin